Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to identify or highlight duplicate data in Microsoft Excel, and then how to delete it. So here I've got some simple data, and it's not very much. If you have a small data set, you could probably just eyeball it and see that we've got a duplicate here with Nicholas, and then another row down here. Same with Ava. We've got a row here, 1025, and another one up here. But if you have hundreds or thousands of rows of data, it's not going to be very practical to do it that way. So let's see first how to highlight or identify the duplicate data using conditional formatting. Now, this step is not absolutely necessary. You can just delete data without seeing it first, but I just like to kind of get a sense of what we're working with. So let me just highlight all of the data that we have in here. And then up here, make sure you're on the Home tab and come into Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, and then down here, because it's such a common thing to need to do, there's an easy one for duplicate values. You can change the style here, but we're just going to highlight these with this light red fill, the default, and say OK. So it's highlighted those rows that we already know about, but then it's also highlighted a couple things here in last name. So we've got Ethan Brown and Sophia Brown. So there is a duplicate in the last name, but these are not the same people. The whole row is not a duplicate, so these should be fine. But I think it's just good to kind of see what you're working with before you go and wipe everything out. But now let's say that you want to actually delete this data. So what you want to do now is come up to Data and remove duplicates. Now here you'll see it says delete duplicate rows from a sheet. So it's not going to delete just this cell or that cell if it's duplicate. It's going to look for the entire row, like this one here. It'll delete one of those since we have two. Now you can select a column here to start with and say, I want to look for duplicates in the ID column. But if you don't select anything at all, you still have a chance to do that later. So if we come back up to Data and remove duplicates, here's where you can select your columns. So let's just say, yes, let's look in the ID column, find those duplicates. Maybe I don't care about these here. My data in this case does have headers. So up here, the ID, the first name, and so forth. If your data does not, make sure you deselect that. But let's just say OK. So it's going to look through the ID column, find duplicates, and then it will delete the entire row where it found those duplicates. So in my case, it found two duplicate values. Remove those rows. And now because we still have that conditional formatting on, we can see that the only thing left are these last names that were duplicates. So those are the basics of how to highlight the duplicate data and then get rid of it. Obviously, you might have different data, so you might need to work with different columns and so forth, but hopefully that will get you started. I hope that was helpful. If so, let me know below in the comments. Also, consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching.